Well, hello. I walked up to the bench this morning and yeah, it's a little bit high, I think. So I'm going to drop it down to, let's turn around, maybe better light. Camera down. I'm going to drop it down to 90 or 900. Or for you Yankees out there, 3 feet. It's not a lot lower, but a bit, but it's alright. Yeah, I walked in here to get my drink bottle to put in the fridge because I left it here yesterday, and I'm like, yeah, maybe it's a bit high. So I'm dropping it down about 100, or for you Yankees out there, 4 inches. Hope one day you guys will catch up and become metric like the rest of the world. But yeah, I was in a bit of pain this morning, which is what happens when you have spinal injuries. So I had some painkillers, but I'm ready to tinker on again. So there we go. I decided to go with 900. I'll get set up and I'll show you again bits and pieces. What am I going to do after that? Probably put a shelf halfway or something, or maybe not, maybe half of it shelves, so I can put tall stuff underneath like my air compressor and stuff, and then have shelves. Yeah, half, because it's a 6 meter long bench, so if I have 3 meters of shelves, that will probably do me. Maybe I can look for some second-hand cabinets or something that maybe slide straight under. Who knows? Or I could just get some more steel and just make up some shelves out of this ply. But probably nice to have something, a high area to put stuff under, like toolboxes and power washer, air compressor. Yeah, I don't think I'll shelf the whole lot. Anyway, gotta get back to it. Well, that's the height it's gonna be. 900, 3 feet, whatever you want to call it. Your workbench. Yeah, 900 is plenty high. It's the same as our kitchen. So I chopped 100 of each front leg and I put the steel underneath that one at the back. So, yeah. Oops, I sweat onto my buttons on the camera. So yeah, I'll mount this down by countersinking screws into the steel, and yeah, I'll be very pleased with that. People said, oh, if you make it 1200 wide, you can always make it thinner by cutting the edge off here, right? Or, you know, just trimming the edge, you know. You can always trim here. But I was planning to put some thick wood here on the underneath. Putting some thick wood under here to solidify the edge so that I can bolt a vise and stuff onto the edge. So yeah, one sheet just sitting there, see what it looks like. I'm quite pleased. I can still reach the other side, not too hard. and I've got plenty of room to work, so quite happy with the full 1200. I can still put toolboxes and stuff along the back, and you know, drawers of parts and stuff like that. So anyway, you can see from my sweating, time to go inside for a drink and rest. It's nearly midday, nearly 12 o'clock. I'll catch you later. Well, back in the shed, I worked here this morning, and yeah, just need to put the tops on. I brought some thicker corn ply. This is 1/2 inch. Well, it looks thicker. It's $10 a sheet more, but it's thicker, a bit thicker. So, and I think that's good, being a bit thicker. But, yeah, it's just a matter of screwing them on now, and then putting shelves underneath. Or maybe I just leave them loose, I think, and yeah, just maybe start screwing them down on that side, and then put some shelf framing under here. Maybe better to do that before I put the top on. Okay, let me have it. Maybe another hour today. Roll it off. Blunt is all I can say. Still hot. lucky. That's how I do it. Well, hello again. I didn't do anything yesterday, I don't think. So, yeah, I've been working in the shed here today, about 2 or 3 hours. Put a shelf in under the bench. Alright. So, put some power tools up there and trolley underneath, stuff like that. The section at the end where there's no shelf, that's for the air compressor. And here, this section here is for engines and gearboxes, what have you. You know, so for large items that you want out of the way and not on the floor. So now it's just a matter of finish screwing it. This top here is screwed on. Now it's just a matter of screwing the sheets on the top bit, and that's the workbench pretty much done. All these bits of wood, they're a metre long, no offcuts, they're going to get thrown out, so thank you. I don't like waste. They would have ended up in landfill. Anyway, I'll show you more a bit later when it's all finished. Yeah, right. This day, for I say, they want to come love me. Now the last day, forgive. Who shall speak of the old me? Look at the size of this thing. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I get a lot of joy out of this. No more worrying about running out of room. There are toolboxes over there on the floor. I'll probably get a pedestal for my pedestal drill. Yeah, awesome. I love it. I can reach the back because I'm tall and I've got really long arms. So probably put up a splash back at the back or something. Yeah. Something like that. Not sure yet. Next I've got to organise all my tools into the toolboxes. That'll be my next clip. I'm going to throw all my tools on this bench, hand tools, and I'm going to set up my toolbox and sort it out. You got any tips on how to sort out toolboxes? Like you get your screwdrivers, your pliers, your sockets, your wrenches, your plug. I've already run out of toolbox. Woo! Feel like a king up here. Yeah! King of the Jeep Carriage. Pretty cool. All the screws are countersunk. No gripping on the screws. It's all been sunken into the surface. Yeah. What more can a man want? I don't even think any of my jobs had a workbench. Big as I've ever owned. It's probably from here to there. One sheet. Not even as deep. Lovely stuff. I just wish I was healthier and fitter so I could work all day long. That's right. You see my engine, my car hoist there. Look at my engine. Mwah. Beautiful.